If you are searching for a car camera with bells and whistles, this model with 1080 pixel front camera is a good bet. It features dual recording, motion detection and a parking mode. There is also a built-in variable sensitivity sensor that saves and logs all video evidence when a crash is detected. In our analysis of 16 expert reviews, the CHORTAU 3-inch 1080 pixel wide-angle dashboard car camera placed third when we looked at the top 12 products in the category. The CHORTAU Dash Cam has dual cam vision, it's front and rear. This dual dash cam equipped with 1080 pixel resolution front camera and waterproof rear camera. The car dash cam with 6 pieces IR LED and wide dynamic range. The front camera captures the license plates and road signs clearly even at night, thus ensuring to get you the best footage. Wide angle front and rear camera help eliminate the blind spots of your vision. Loop recording and emergency accident locks. Seamless loop recording overrides the old footage with new content when the car is full. Variable sensitivity G sensor automatically detects a sudden collision and immediately saves the relevant footage and locks it to SOS file, thus preventing any overwriting and thereby protecting your video evidence, keep you away from driving disputes. This dashboard camera supports up to 32 GB of microSD card. Dash cams with parking mode. The dash cams automatically powers on and starts recording as soon as impact is detected, thus providing you a video evidence if your car is scratched by someone in parking, hence ensuring your peace of mind with complete 24/7 monitoring of your car. We suggest some important function settings for you daily using. G sensor level choose low or turn off. Loop recording choose 3 minutes. Motion detection choose off. Parking monitor choose on. Easy installation and use. This dash camera is very easy to install and operate with reference pictures in the user manual. The included suction mount could be easily attached anywhere on your windshield in seconds. Just insert SD card and connect the power supply. The car dash camera will start recording immediately after igniting. Shut down and save the video when you shut off the engine. CHORTAU is a remarkable company and believes in driving innovations to add value to their customers. They offer lifetime after-sales support for this dual dash cam, 24/7 hours technical support. If you have any queries of this dash cam, please ask us in the comment section below. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Review Arena to get your top-notch day-to-day communities.